Welcome back, dear friends. Today we will offer you 10 types of healthy fruits that do not raise sugar and are the best for diabetics. Click the like button and let's get started. 1. Berries. People with diabetes can eat half a cup of berries a day. Berries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins and fiber. A cup of berries contains only 5 grams of sugar. 2. Avocado. It is one of the best fruits for diabetics. It contains less than 1 gram of sugar, few carbohydrates, and a high level of fiber. 3. Strawberries. It is a good fruit for diabetics and is very rich in fiber and vitamin C. Every 100 grams of strawberry contains only 4 grams of sugar. 4. Green apple. A green apple contains only 5 grams of sugar and is rich in fiber, which delays the absorption of sugar. 5. Lemon. It is allowed for diabetics to drink lemon with water. It will give you a lot of vitamin C and will not raise sugar in a harmful way. 6. Orange. It is very rich in vitamin C, potassium and fiber. An orange contains 12 grams of sugar. Diabetics can eat half an orange a day. 7. Peach. 100 grams of peach contains 48 calories and contains almost no fat, while it contains only about 9 grams of sugar. 8. Kiwi. It contains only 6 grams of sugar in one pill. Diabetics can eat a kiwi a day. 9. Green banana. It contains a small percentage of sugar. 10. Grapes. People with diabetes can eat grapes, as they are low-sugar fruits. The aim of this video is to help diabetics find alternatives to the foods they are deprived of. Please, our friends, click on the like button so that a large number of diabetics can benefit from this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Happy days!
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.